Say hello, Vanakkam, Shashikal, Salute, Nia, Ola to everybody around the world. Welcome again to Mummy's Tiffin. And today's special is donuts. Right, so the ingredients are very simple. They are maida 500 grams, milk 200 ml, sugar powder and crystal, butter 50 grams, salt according to your taste, water 10 gram yeast and oil. First of all, we will pour some lukewarm milk in the bowl and 2 teaspoons of sugar crystal and a half teaspoon of salt and mix it. And then add 10 gram of yeast, stir it, and then add some milk, stir it, and finally leave it for 2 minutes. First, take the maida and make a hole in the center. Then add 2 big spoons of powdered sugar. Then add 50 grams of butter. You may take all the butter as well. Then add a half teaspoon of salt and mix it properly. Now the yeast is ready for the process of fermentation of the dough. Fermentation depends on the weather condition. If the weather is warm, it takes less time to get fermented. If the weather is cold, it takes longer time to ferment. Now we will take the maida and make a hole again in the center of it. Then pour the yeast in the hole and then mix it properly. Then add milk and knead it into a soft dough. You have to knead it very properly and make it into a soft dough. Should be very soft. You can see that now the dough is ready. Now we'll apply some oil to prevent it from sticking to the wet cotton cloth. Now we will put the wet cotton cloth over it and leave it to rest for 20 to 30 minutes for the process of fermentation. Now you can see that the dough is fermented. Now knead the dough properly to release the gas. The scientific name of this is called proofing. Now we will divide the dough into 4 balls for the process of rolling. Now you can see that we have divided into 4 balls. Now we'll cover the balls for the process of fermentation. We are going to apply oil on the tray so that the dough doesn't stick on it. After 15 minutes, we will take one of the balls and place it on a flat clean surface. We have chosen a table. We will roll it until it is ½ inch thick. As you can see, it is slowly coming into shape. Now you have to take a glass which has a big diameter and a bottle cap. Now cut the dough as shown. You can see that we have used the small cap to cut the center and the big glass to cut the outer part. Don't worry about the leftover dough, it can still be used. Now we'll take the donuts and place them on the tray from before, and then we'll apply some oil on top of it so that it doesn't dry, and then we'll put the wet cloth over it. You can make about 20 donuts from that much of dough. it on medium flame and put the donuts in it for frying. As you can see, we are putting 4 donuts at a time and we'll fry it until it is golden brown. It's slowly changing its color. Now it is ready. You have to coat it with sugar when it's warm. For the coating, you will have to coat it with sugar first, and then you can coat it with anything you want, which is up to you. With chocolate, white chocolate, gems, anything you want. And it will look really nice with anything you put it on. Do you remember those small round things which come out from the center of the donuts? Yeah, those don't go to waste. You can make small nuggets called sweet nuggets. We have named them. You can make them just like how you made the donuts, and they taste just like the donuts. It's really nice. Now you see our sweet nuggets. They are looking pretty decent. And the donuts are looking marvelous. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, and if you're new, please subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.